The Studio 5 Project Corner stops in to see what creative makers are up to on any given day. And today, a simple way to perk up your craft room with just the right rainbow of colors.
Hey Studio 5, it's Katie of Just Add Sunshine, and I am super excited to be sharing a project with you today. Just a little bit about me. I love bright colors and all things sunshine. I love crafting of any kind, and I love to make my home a happy place that's filled with homemade signs and decor. And today, we're going to be making our own homemade sign. I bought some wood letters from Michael's to spell the word create. Then I also cut down a board so I can mount the letters on, so it's going to be an easier sign to display. I'm also using some of my very favorite paint colors. To begin with, I sanded down each letter just a little bit to take off any of the rough spots, and then I painted each letter a different color. Set those aside, and then paint your backboard. I painted mine white, a couple coats, so that it would have some good, nice coverage. Once everything was dry, the sign was ready to assemble. So I laid out the letters, I laid my board, and made sure everything was centered, and then went ahead and glued it on. And ta-da! Here's my finished project. I'm super excited about it. I'm excited to add it to my home, to my walls, and I know that this is a project that will instantly add happiness to your own home, and if you make a sign of your own, I would love to see it.
What a fun project. The paint really made that project, and by the way, all of the paint she used are the Bear Brown, so we'll put the list on our website.